There are a few common mistakes that beginning art students make when they go to draw a portrait. One, as you can see from this, they draw the eyeballs way too big. They draw the ears too small. The ears really go from the eyebrows all the way down to the bottom of the nose. They shade the hair so it looks really stringy. They create the top of the head where you see the top of this oval is, so there's no room for hair. They make the eyes way up in the middle of the forehead. The nose outline is dark and they don't shade, and the nose is really, really long to make up for the fact that the eyes are in the middle of the forehead. They end up doing huge pig nostrils and then odd-shaped banana lips. So this is a video to help you break some of those beginning poor habits. Faces are often measured by the width of an eye. As you can see here, there are 5 eye widths across the whole width of the face. There's 1 eye width between the eyes, and then there's 1 basically on the right and left sides to the width of the ears. Faces are also measured by fractions. So the eyes are right in the middle of the face. If you continue and you divide the lower half of the face in half, the bottom of the nose makes that halfway mark, and then you divide in half from the bottom of the nose to the chin, and the mouth is at that mark. We're working with an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. First thing I want you to do is find the middle from top to bottom. So you can measure with your fingers or measure with a pencil. Find the middle, and you're going to draw a horizontal line. Nice and light. You will want to erase this later. Next thing, you're going to take 3 fingers from the edge of your paper and make a little mark. 3 fingers from the other edge, make a little mark. And you also want to find the center. Then we're going to make a measuring device out of a piece of paper. So I have strips of paper already cut for you. You're going to go ahead and mark from that 3-finger measurement left and right side, and you're going to go ahead and cut it. Then you need to create 5 even spaces on that piece of paper. So what you have to do is fold it like this, but I'm going to show you how to get that fold because it's not extremely easy. So take your strip of paper that you've cut to the right length. Bend it back, but don't crease it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different lengths in there for kind of bends. Notice that this one is quite a bit shorter than the top one. So what I have to do is I have to just scoot it down the tiniest bit, make that one a little longer, make this one shorter. Oh, didn't work, so I have to go a bit shorter on that one. Longer. I'm just adjusting a little bit at a time. Still need shorter there. Kind of roll it. You need some patience for this. Okay, starting to get it close here. I went a little too short on that top one. Go a little longer. Like I said, it takes some patience. Biggest thing is don't crease it. Okay, once your edges are lined up, then you can go ahead and crease it so you have nice crisp folds. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is take one end and fold it in half, like one section, and now I'm going to mark those areas. So I've got my half here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different widths, and what those are is they are the width of an eye that we're going to be drawing for your face. So 1 width. And as you notice, from close to the outside of the ears all the way across, you have 5 eye widths. There is 1 full eye width between the 2 eyes right here, and about 3/4 to the edge of the head on both sides, and a little extra for the ear. On the marks you've made on your paper, you're going to go ahead and line this up. And I'm going to divide that middle section, the third eye section, in half. And I'm going to make a mark right there so I know where the middle of my face is going to be. That's going to be right directly down the bridge of the nose. Now I'm going to make little light marks at each of my folds of the paper. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different eye widths ready to go. To find the length of the nose, you're going to take your first half width and put it on this center line. You're coming down a half and then 1 full, and just draw a really light line across. The width of the nose is like the base is between the two eyes, so I'm going to take this line and that line and I'm going to go straight down, straight down. That's going to be the widest part where the nostrils of the nose flare out. To find the width of the mouth, I'm going to measure 1 additional full length down and put a little line, but this isn't actually the mouth. This is going to be this little curve here, kind of the start of the chin area, so don't start drawing the lips yet. I'm taking this section here and this section here, skipping the middle, and I'm finding the midpoint right here. So I could use this as well. I found my midpoint there and my midpoint here. And then I'm going to draw a line straight down, not quite to that line, straight down. From the bottom of the nose line, halfway down, I'm going to draw a line, and that is going to go all the way to these 2 lines that I just went straight down. That is going to be the split in the lips. So I'll show you right here, bottom of the nose, half an eye measurement to the split in the lips, and another half down to that little curve of the top of the chin. Just a little review on how to start drawing the nose. So we did a circle that sits on that line, and then below halfway did a line across, line straight down the middle. We came from the bottom here and we angled up here and here. A straight line here, straight line here. And then I'm going to show you the finished version of the nose.